I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Search and select Spectra. Fetch it. Then go to your form and fill it up to fetch the data. Submit it. Now go to your integration site. Here you can see that the data has been fetched successfully. After fetching data, it is important to assign a unique value, such as a form ID, every time a form is submitted. This will help ensure that each submission is properly identified and processed. Then find and select a field that contains the same value, then select other fields that you want to map with your action field. Set a unique key. Set an action. Now here search and select Mailjet. Here, give them a meaningful integration name as you want. To get API key and secret key, click on Mailjet API token. Copy the primary API key. Paste it here. Now click on Generate Secret Key. Copy the correct key. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now select the lists. Now map the field. Here is an advanced feature available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Mailjet. Click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to your form and fill it up. Submit it. The form has been submitted successfully. Now navigate Mailjet page and select the list. Here is the data that came into Mailjet through the integration. Thanks for watching.